Women and children in rural India get the least amount of care, although they need the most. From hygienic living conditions to food to education, everything seems to be a much bigger struggle for them. Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar has been working towards bridging this gap through its Mother and Child Development Program. As part of the program, Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar has extended its support to Anganwadis of Karnataka. Anganwadis are a Government of India initiative established to create a care center which the rural women and children can call their own. Anganwadis have grown in number in the last 4 decades. It has expanded and has been adopted in many Indian villages during its initial days. However, government funds received by Anganwadis across India are becoming largely insufficient, as a majority of the funds are spent in the nutrition of the children, leaving much less for the renovation of these centers. Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar always appreciated the nobility of the Anganwadi program. The holistic approach to a child's education with nutrition was of extreme value for RBI. A number of 200 Anganwadi centers have been renovated by Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar till date because RBI knows that the holistic approach is incomplete without the mix of hygiene in it. Hygienic centers are equally important for children's development as much as their education and nutrition.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂಬುಜಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅಂತ ಅತ್ತಿಬೆಲೆ 2ನೇ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 15 ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟಿವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಇದೆ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Today, Anganwadi centers in Karnataka can provide proper foundation for physical, psychological and the emotional health for children with the help of Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar. This is helping the centers reduce instances of mortality, morbidity, malnutrition and school dropouts. Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar is looking forward to completing 500 centers by the end of June 2025, and your donation will be a huge help. Donate today.